Alhamdulillahi Rabbil Alameen. Wassalatu wassalamu ala Sayyidil Mursaleen. Amma ba'du fa'a'udhu billahi minash shaytanir rajim. Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. Today we are going to discuss lesson number 12. And lesson number 12 is actually about four cases of Noon, Sakina and Tanween. In this lesson we will learn about Izhar and Ikhfa, first case and second case. And in lesson number 14 we will learn about idgham and iqlab, or you can say third and fourth case of noon sakina and tanween. And you know very well what is noon sakina and what is tanween. Like if jazm comes on noon, then noon will be converted into noon sakina, and double zabar, double zair and double pesh are called tanween. Okay, our first point is how many cases are there of noon sakina and tanween, and what are they? There are four cases of Noon Sakin and Tanween. First one is Izhar, second one is Ikhfa, third one is Idgham, and fourth one is Iqlab. How many cases of Noon Sakin and Tanween? There are four cases. And what are they? These four cases are actually cases of Noon Sakin and Tanween. Four cases of Noon Sakin and Tanween. Now we are moving to discuss toward discussing Izhar and Ikhfa. So describe the case of Izhar and how many halqiya letters are there and what are they. First of all, we should know about halqiya letters. There are 6 halqiya letters and they are Hamza, Ha, Ain, Ha, Ghain, Kha. Halak means throat. So you can say these letters are pronounced from throat. That's why these letters are called halqiya letters. Okay, so they are 6 in number: Hamza, Ha, Ain, Ha, Ghain, Kha. Hamza and Ha are pronounced from bottom part of throat. Ain, Ha are pronounced from middle part of throat. Ghain, Kha are pronounced from upper part of throat. Okay, if any halqiya letters comes after a noon sakina, or if any halqiya letter comes after tanween, then izhar will be done. So what do you mean by izhar? When can we say that izhar is done? Izhar is actually not taking sound into nose while pronouncing noon sakin or tanween. For gunna, nasalization will not be done when pronouncing such a noon sakina and tanween. Now the question is, what is meant by gunna? For example, if I read this word like faman tabi'a, it means I'm doing gunna while pronouncing this noon sakina. But if I read this word like min ajalin, I'm not doing gunna while pronouncing this noon sakina. It means I'm not doing gunna in this word, but I'm doing gunna in this word, because this word is actually example of izhar and this word is actually example of ikhfa. As we have learned, if halqiya letters like Hamza is from halqiya letters, if any halqiya letter comes after noon sakina, or if any halqiya letter comes after tanween, like Hamza is also from halqiya letters and it is coming after tanween, then izhar will be done. Izhar will be done means gunna will not be made while pronouncing such a noon sakin or tanween. I think it should be clear. Now we should move on. Next point is describe the case of ikhfa and how many ikhfa letters are there and what are they. First of all, we should know what are ikhfa letters and how many ikhfa letters are there. There are 15 ikhfa letters and they are ta, sa, jim, dal, zal, za, sin, shin, sod, dod, ta, za, fa, qaf and kaf. These 16 letters are ikhfa letters. If any ikhfa letter comes after a noon sakina, or if any ikhfa letter comes after tanween, then ikhfa will be done. Ikhfa will be done means gunna will be done while pronouncing such a noon sakina and tanween. Let me give you an example. For example, ta is from ikhfa letters, which is coming right after noon sakina. So ikhfa will be done in this word. So you need to pronounce this noon sakina with gunna, with taking sound into your nose, like faman tabi'a, in this way. This ikhfa letter is coming after noon sakina, and in this example, ta, this ta is coming after tanween. So you will make gunna while pronouncing this word like adnum tajiri in this way. So you will make gunna while pronouncing ikhfa letters while pronouncing noon sakina, which is coming right before ikhfa letter. Okay, I think this rule is also clear. We should move towards next point, which is the rules of idgham and iqlab have been explained in lesson number 14. Inshallah Kareem, in lesson number 14 we will learn about third case, which is idgham, and fourth case, which is iqlab. Okay, listen to me carefully and practice again and again, because practice makes a man perfect. These 6 examples are actually examples of izhar. So you don't need to make gunna while pronouncing these 6 words, because if halkia letter comes after noon sakina, or if halkia letter comes after tanween, then izhar will be done, which means gunna will not be done. So mim, noon, zer, min, hamza, zabar a, min a, jim, zabar ja, min aja, lam, do zerlin, min ajalin, mim, noon, zer min, ha, alif, zabar ha, min ha, dal, do zerdin, min hadin, mim, noon, zer min, عين زبر ع من ع لام زبر لا من على قاف دو زير قن من على ميم نون زير من حا زبر ح من ح كاف يا زير كي من حكي ميم دو زير من حكيم ميم نون زير من غين زبر غ فا واو پیش فو غفو را دو زير غفور من غفور ميم نون زير من خا واو زبر خو فا دو زير فن خوف min khawfin. So these 6 words are actually examples of izhar, and other 15 words like from faman tabi'at to min kitabin. These 15 words or 15 examples are actually examples of ikhfa letter coming after noon sakina. So ikhfa will be done while pronouncing these 15 words, which means gunna or nasalization will be done while pronouncing this type of noon sakin. Fa zabar fa, mim noon zabar man, faman, ta zabar ta, ba zer bi, tabi, ain zabar a, tabi'a, faman tabi'a, in this way. Mim noon zer min, ثا زبر ثا ميم زبر ما ثما را زبر را ثمرة تا دو زيرتن ثمرات من ثمرات ميم نون زير من جيم واو پیش جو من جو عين دو زير عين من جوع ميم نون زير من دال واو پیش دو نون زيرني دوني كاف ميم پیشكم من دونكم ميم نون زير من ذال زبر ذا ها زبرها ذها با دو زير بن ذهب من ذهب فا زبر فا همزة نون زير إن فإن زا زبر زا لام لام زبر لال zalal, ta mim peshtum, zalaltum, fa'in zalaltum, mim noon zabarman, sin zabarsa, fa zerfi, safi, ha zabarha, safiha, man safiha, mim noon zabarman, shin zabarsha, kaf zabarka, shaka, ra zabarra, shakara, mi man shakara, mim noon zermin, صاد لام زبر صل صاد ألف زبر صا صل صا لام دو زيل صل صال من صل صال همزة نون زير إن ضاد زبر ضا لام لام زبر لل ضلل تا بيشتو ضللت إن ضللت ميم نون زير من طا يا زير طي نون دو زير نن طين من طين ميم نون زبر من ظا زبر ظا لام زبر لا ظلا ميم زبر ما ظلم ما ظلم ميم نون زير من فا پیش فو را واو پیش رو فرو جيم دو زير جن فروج من فروج ميم نون زير من قاف باء زبر قب لام بيشلو قبل من قبل ba is from kalkala letters, and if kalkala letters are sakina then kalkala will be more clear. Mim noon zer min kaf zer ki ta khada zabar ta kita ba do zer min kitabin min kitabin. These six examples are also examples of izhar, like you can see hamza, ha, ain, ha, ghain, kha. Halkiya letters are coming right after noon sakina. So izhar will be done, which means gunna will not be made while pronouncing these words. Ya noon zabariyan, hamza waw zabar aw, yan aw noon zabarna, yan awna ميم نون زير من ها ميم پیش هم من هم همزة نون زبر أن عين ميم زبر عم أنعم تا زبر تا أنعمت أنعمت واو نون زبر ون ح را زبر حر وانحر فا زبر فا سين زبر سا فسا يا نون پیش یون فسایون غین زیر غی فسایون غی ضاد واو پیش دو فسایون غدو نون زبرنا فسينغضون واو لام زبر وال ميم نون بشمن والمن خا زبر خا والمن خا نون زيرني والمن خني قاف زبر قا والمن خنيقة تا بشتو والمن خنيقة. These 10 words are examples of ikhfa because we have ta, sin, shin, sod, dod, ta, wa, fa, qaf and kaf. These letters are actually from ikhfa letters, and we have learned that if ikhfa letters come after noon sakin or tanween, then ghunna will be done, nasalization will be done. So you need to make gunna while pronouncing these 10 words. Hamza, Noon, Zabar an, Ta, Zabarta, Anta, Ta, Noon, Zabartan, Sin, Wow, Zabar Saw, Tan, Saw, Noon, Zabarna, Tan, Sawna, Noon, Noon, Pesh Nun, Sheen, Zer Shi, Noon Shi, Za, Pesh Zu, Noon Shizu, Ha, Alif, Zabar Ha, Noon Shizu Ha, Ya, Noon, Zabar Yan, Sad, Pesh Su, Yansu, Ra, Waw, Pesh Ru, Yansuru, Noon, Zabarna, Yansuruna, Mim, Noon, Zabarman, Dod, Waw, Pesh Du, Mandu, Dal, Do, Zerdin, Mandudin, Ya, Noon, Zabarian, طا زير طي ينطي قاف واو بيش قو ينطقوا نون زبرنا ينطقون همزة نون بيش أن ظا را بيش ظر انظر همزة نون زبر أن فا بيش فو أنفو سين زيرسي أنفسي كاف ميم بيشكم أنفسكم يا نون زبريان قاف بيشقو ينقو ضاد واو بيشدو ينقضوا نون زبرنا ينقضون ميم نون زير من كاف ميم بيشكم منكم